How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open up your Instagram. After you do that, go to your profile section on the bottom right, and now you're on your profile. Now, what you'll do here is tap on the three lines on the top right. After you tap on it, you will get redirected to settings and activity. So, if you're on professional, you will see for professionals section, and under this section, you will see creator tools and controls. Tap on it. After you tap on it, scroll down, and there you will see edit profile. Oh, my bad. You'll see switch account type. Tap on it, and to switch to personal account, just select switch to personal account and confirm that. After you do so, it might take some time to load, but after you do that, you will have switched back into your personal account. As you can see, the dashboard in my profile is now gone. That means I'm now on my personal account mode. So that is how you do it. That is how you switch back to personal account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.